Alright, welcome back to Luna Video Channel. So I'm back with
Jasmine.
and she's gonna be drawing some or coloring some coloring page squishmallows, right? On my side, I'll be doing this. So another upgrade for my server. I'll be installing a 3 drive trayless mobile rack hot swap. So I'll show you here ano itsura nito. We'll install it in our server so I can just hot swap ang hard drive. Madaling padalitan. So this is from StarTech. Bought it from eBay, so it's a secondhand. Budgeting looks okay, but see, we'll find out if it's gonna work. All right, let's go. Alright, so ito ang server natin. So it will be inserted in here. So I'll take out the CD-ROM drive and this panel here. Well, nowadays you don't really need a CD-ROM drive anymore. Everything is downloaded from the internet. Alright. Alright, it's clear. Alright, right now, see, cable management cleanup.